I'm Anil Kumar. We are discussing relations, functions, and their characteristic. Here is the sixth example from the set which we started with. The question here is determine whether each relation is a function or not. That is the first part. And list their characteristics including domain and range and behavior, increasing, decreasing interval, symmetry, etc. So these are the things which we'll discuss about the characteristics. Function given to us is, rather, a relation given to us is x square plus y square equals to 25. We need to figure out whether it represents a function or not. Our rule was look for y square. Now this y square means it is not a function. So it is not a function. So that is shortcut. Is it okay? Now we could actually rearrange the equation and also write this equation as, let me rearrange, so we can write y equals to, bringing x square to the other side, let me write two steps, minus x square plus 25, and y equals to plus minus square root of minus x square plus 25. Now that gives you, plus and minus means more than one value, in fact two values of for many x values, so it is not a function, correct? Now let us sketch this relation. You know, x square plus y square equals to 25 is a circle, correct? So it is a circle with radius of square root of 25. So that is, to give you a circle for radius of 5, not square root of 25 is 5, right? So you could write this as x square plus y square equals to 5 square. That is the equation of a circle with radius 5, correct? So this is x value. Now clearly, if you draw a vertical line here, it intersects at 2 points, and therefore this x value here has more than one value. It has two values. It is not a function. Is that clear? So we know clearly from the graph of this equation that it is not a function. Is it okay? Very important to understand. Now let us write down the characteristics. Domain, range, right, all these characteristics. Let's begin with domain. Domain for this relation is x belongs to real numbers where x is between plus and minus 5. Is it okay? Range is also all real numbers between plus and minus 5. So that is domain and range for the given function. You know, it is a circle. It is both even and odd function. It is both even and odd symmetry. So this function has both even and odd symmetry. You can see it is symmetric about y-axis, and it also has rotational symmetry, right? So this is a unique example of a relation which has both symmetries. This is very important to understand symmetry of this. It does not have end behavior as the domain is restricted to plus and minus 5. So that is how we can write few characteristics of the given relation. Remember, it is not a function since it fails vertical line test. The graph of this relation fails vertical line test, or from the equation y can have two values for a value of x. So it is not a function. So I hope with this you have understood how to figure out from the equation whether the given equation represents a function or not, and also to write few characteristics of that particular relation. I'm Anil Kumar. You can subscribe to my videos and learn a lot. Thank you and all the best.